back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is a spice rub type glaze that you can put on your pork chops, and it is going to be delicious. The spices are strong, but I don't do the real hot version. If you want, you can put in some cayenne pepper, you can put in some red pepper flakes, you can put in some curry powder. I know my son likes to have that stuff in his. For me, I'm going to go with more mild type ingredients. I have brown sugar, paprika, I have garlic powder, I have onion powder, salt, pepper, ground mustard, cumin, and as an option, I'm going to go with a little bit of the roasted garlic. I didn't originally put that in the menu, but you know, it's really good. So I also have olive oil, which today I'm using a garlic mushroom olive oil. I have corn, an apple, potato salad, and I don't make my own potato salad. It's one of those things that it's so much work to make it. It's just, you know, and honestly, the stuff I get from the store, it tastes really, really good. So I don't think there's any benefits making it myself. If it's salad dressing, the #1 ingredient is sugar, which I wouldn't put in my salad dressing. So let's go ahead and get started on things. I have the pork chop that I par-cooked in the fryer. So it's already cooked within 5 degrees. You know, you want 165. So it's already been cooked, so I have it there. Olive oil, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. By the way, if you want to get these measurements, all you have to do for the measurements and ingredients is click on the subscribe button there in the lower right hand corner, and then it popped up there right below the video. You'll see the measurements and the ingredients list. So I have a little bit of olive oil in here. I have my garlic. I'm going to put in a little bit of brown sugar. I see most people that make a recipe of this sort use a light brown sugar. Then for the paprika, I like to use just a pinch. Paprika is pretty strong. If you want, you can add more later. Same thing with the mustard and the cumin. Cumin, I just put in just a little bit. I cut half of what people think they use for cumin, because cumin's pretty strong. Mustard's pretty strong. Just put a pinch of that. And then we have our onion powder. I like a lot of that, so I'm not real worried about this. I like a lot of onion and a lot of garlic powder. See, even though I'm using real roasted garlic, I'm still using garlic powder because those tastes kind of marry together. Salt, pepper, mix it up. Just stir like that. I have some corn, which has to go into the pan and be heated up. Give that a stir. I'll put some salt and butter on that. Keep your eye on the pork chop. Don't overcook him. Then, move some things out of the way here. The apple. For the apple, I have my apple slicer. I don't want to do it till I get near the end. And then I'm going to go ahead and serve stuff up. Now, par-cooking the pork chop in the air fryer really was a lot of time that you're not seeing in this video. This particular pork chop was frozen. So it's 20 minutes per side, or 20 minutes on the first side and 10 minutes on the second, and then check it with a thermometer, make sure it's around 160, 165. So I have things just about ready to go here, and we will make sure our ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Oh, this marinade looks good. Okay, I'm going to plate up my apples while this all finishes. Just like that. This smells really good. We're in good shape here. Corn is all set. I put some butter in there. Let's go ahead and grab this pork chop and get him out here on the plate. And then we have some corn. Let's put some corn like that. And then I have some potato salad. So let's put some potato salad right here. The opposite side of the corn. Marinade. There we go. Wow. I wish you could smell this. This smells so good. And just a little bit. Garlic sea salt on top. Set the stuff out of the way. Here's a delicious, quick, easy meal. This was so fast. It's amazing how quick you can do with that NuWave oven. Or if you have the Bravo, it's the same thing. They're pretty much the same oven. So this is the show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.